Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Outlier AI account. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be any standard browser you normally use for browsing the internet. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar and search for Outlier AI. Make sure you spell the name carefully so the correct results appear. When the search results load, look for the official Outlier AI website. It's important to choose the official result rather than a third-party page, so take a quick moment to confirm that the link matches the Outlier AI site. This helps ensure you are signing up in the right place and keeps the process smooth and secure. After you open the official website, give the home page a moment to load fully. Then, look toward the top right corner of the page where you should see the login option. Click on Login to move to the account access page. Even if you are creating a new account for the first time, this is the correct place to start, since many platforms handle sign up and sign in through the same login screen. On the login page, find the option labeled Continue with Google and click it. This method is often the fastest and easiest way to create your account because it connects your Google sign-in with the platform. It can also save time by reducing the amount of information you need to enter manually. At this point, the remaining part of the setup will happen through the on-screen prompts. Follow the instructions shown on your screen to continue. Depending on your device or account settings, you may be asked to choose a Google account, confirm permissions, or complete a quick verification step. Just read each screen carefully and proceed as directed. As you go through the process, make sure the information shown is correct before confirming anything. If you have more than one Google account, select the one you want to use for Outlier AI so you can easily access it again later. Taking an extra second here can help avoid confusion in the future. Once you complete the on-screen procedure, your Outlier AI account should be created or connected successfully, and you'll be ready to continue using the platform. That's it for this guide on how to create Outlier AI account. Follow these steps carefully, and the setup should only take a few minutes.